Hi friends! Sunday we were in SM Calamba and we passed through book sale SM Calamba. So may haul tayo. So yan, hindi tayo nawawala ng haul when we are in book sale. Although konti lang naman siya. First is Fun Loving You. Enjoying Your Marriage in the Midst of the Grind by Ted Cunningham. 65 pesos. This one is Lakeside Retreat. Life-giving devotional from a restful shore. And 65 pesos din. And last but not the least, Winning Your Wife Back by Gary Small. Yun. Favorite natin author si Gary Small. You have a lot of books by Sir Gary Small, Dr. Gary Small, although he passed away already. So, only for 35 pesos. Yan. So, this is our book sale haul, SM Calamba. Keep on reading, mga mamshi. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.